Well, we use adverts for teaching and learning English because they are kind of very short videos that have a big impact, but really require little kind of processing and effort from our students. They have so many different contexts, explore so many different themes, and you can kind of cherry pick what you like from those adverts in terms of how you want to use them as a vehicle for any target language or to practice any skill. So it's like a ready-made lesson for you. Okay, so I think that the best use of a TV advert in the classroom totally depends on the needs of your class and your students. If you look at an advert, there are endless possibilities. You could definitely use it for something short to introduce, to kind of activate their learning and the start of the lesson. But I think personally, if you're making the effort to enjoy, analyze, and talk about an advert and gain the vocabulary needed and the confidence to talk about it, why not extend it into a full lesson or a full week even, and use it for lots of different skills, and even come back and revise with this advert at a later date and use it in a different teaching context, but with the same students. Okay, so when using adverts, you don't have to have any particular experience, and you don't have to use any particular teaching methodology to use them. They are open for you, they're open for your interpretation, and they're open for you to decide what you want to do with them. And you can use many different approaches, and I talk about that a lot in the workshop, but really it's up to you.